Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. Hey girlfriend and old friend, and welcome if you ain't never been. If you're an old friend, go ahead, tap in, hit that like button to let me know you're here. If you're new, let's be friends. All you gotta do is hit the subscribe button. It's just that easy. So y'all, today I'm about to get ready to go to a St. Patrick's Day parade. So of course the attire is green. So come along with me as I pick my outfit and get dressed and get ready to head out the door. Okay, so like I said, the assignment is green. So I have these crinkle pants here, which are from Pretty Little Things, so I'm gonna go with these. And then over here I have this green top here, which is from Rainbow. So let's go ahead and try this on. Okay, so here is what we're working with so far. Our base. Okay, so of course it's a parade, so we want to be comfortable. So I'm going to go with these here. So since it is a parade, I do want to make sure I do have all my essentials, like my ID and all that, lip gloss. So, but still be hands free. So I got this little belt bag that I put on. I think it's from Rainbow. Yeah, from Rainbow. And then it's going to be cool for the beginning parts, and then it will warm up a little later. So I have this jacket that I'm going to put on so that, you know, to protect my arms and still have something to take off for when it warms up. So this is the final look. I'm going to put some jewelry on and then I'll come back. Okay, so I decided not to do any watch or bracelet or anything because one, no problems with nothing coming off or anything like that. But I did put on these earrings, which are just these simple little knotted gold earrings from Shein. So I'm about to get this bag here because of course you got to pack your bag and put all your goodies in it. So yes, let's get the bag packed and then we'll be heading out the door.
Is this where it starts? And ride for my birthday.